Al-Qariyah with English translation. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful. Al-Qariyah, the striking calamity. Mal-Qariyah, what is the striking calamity? وَمَا أَدْرَاكَ مَا-الْقَارِيَةُ, and what can make you know what is the striking calamity? يَوْمَ يَكُونُ النَّاسُ كَالْفَرَاشِ الْمَبْثُوثِ. It is the day when people will be like moths dispersed. وَتَكُونُ الْجِبَالُ كَالْعِهْنِ الْمَنفُوشِ, and the mountains will be like wool fluffed up. فَأَمَّا مَنْ ثَقُلَتْ مَوَازِينُهُ, then as for one whose scales are heavy with good deeds, فَهُوَ فِي عِيشَةٍ رَاضِيَةٍ, he will be in a pleasant life. وَأَمَّا مَنْ خَفَّتْ مَوَازِينُهُ, but as for one whose scales are light, فَأُمُّهُ هَاوِيَةٌ, his refuge will be an abyss. وَمَا أَدْرَاكَ مَا هِيَ, and what can make you know what that is? نَارٌ حَامِيَةٌ, it is a fire intensely hot. صدق الله المولانا العظيم وصدق رسوله النبي الحبيب الكريم.
মুর্শিদ কামলা জিন্দাবাদ জিন্দাবাদ, আওতাব মুর্শিদ কামলা জিন্দাবাদ জিন্দাবাদ, মাওলানা আব্দুল্লাহ শাহজাদা হুজুর কামলা জিন্দাবাদ জিন্দাবাদ।